Whew. Wow, that was exhausting. I'm finished, but it was worth it. Hey guys, Timo the Hobo here. So we just arrived here in Fuerteventura. Yes, Nikki is very tired.
Yes, not anymore.
Not anymore. He drank a coffee. Yeah, my time or our time in Gran Canaria is over. It was a really good time, but in this vlog it's about La Palma, my favorite place on earth so far. Yeah, in La Palma I was first with my friends. On these 5 days I spent with them in La Palma, we had an Airbnb and we tried to see as much as possible. We saw the volcano, which looked super awesome. By day you just saw like smoke, but by night you could see the lava. It was like glowing in the dark, super cool. We visited the waterfalls of Los Tilos, which are very, very nice. And the police just honked at us. I think they think I'm the driver and I'm filming, but I'm not the driver, he's the driver. Misunderstanding, nothing happened. Where was I? Yeah, we visited the Los Tilos waterfalls, which were quite cool. Super different landscape than in the north, where we went to watch some caves. It's like a different continent, and we wanted to see the Cascada De Colores, the waterfall of colors, but apparently they only let the water pass through at certain times, so when we arrived it was quite disappointing because there was not really a waterfall. But the hike was beautiful anyway, so that was also a cool experience. After they left, I still wanted to stay on La Palma because I really like it there, and I went to a mountain retreat. I hiked up with a lot of luggage. I think it was the most exhausting hike I've ever done because I had like my backpack, then 6 liters of water, my food and everything. It was, I was done. I was really done after that hike. But yeah, up there it was so peaceful. It was really, really cool and I enjoyed it a lot. The mountain retreat, I've spent it in a little shelter. There are a couple of these shelters in La Palma. They are called refugios, and there was really nice. It didn't have a door though, that's why a lot of wind came in, but it was warm enough and definitely warmer than when I would have slept in my tent. But yeah, I think I'll let you see for yourself and judge if La Palma really is a paradise.
Wow, qué mierda es eso.
So yeah, another time, really enjoyed my time in La Palma. I really love it there, and I'm sure I will return there sometime. You will see next time in my vlog my time in El Hierro, where I did a hiking tour all over the island. So yeah, tune in next time. Until then, bye guys.